Hey guys, it's Matt from RC World. Today I'm showing you fun tricks and tips on how to do RC stuff inside. So maybe it's winter here in Ohio and it's disgusting outside and you do RC stuff inside. I got this guy at Walmart. It is the Propel Mini X01. Hope you guys can see that. Comes with a little controller and a little USB charger. And you put just two AAA batteries in here. It's a great little drone. It's got like race quad blades, the 3 props. Usually those are race quads. I'm gonna do like a little course inside that you could create, and if you got like other friends that have the same one, you guys have like a little race or stuff like that too. So I'm gonna show that, and that'll be my little tips and tricks. Okay guys, so the course is, I'm going to stand right next to the tripod right here. I'm going to take the drone, I'm going to go through here, through under the table. I have to go through the leg of this, like that. Then I'm going to walk downstairs with it. I'm going to fly all the way through here and under the stool. Then I'm going to fly all the way out through the rail on here. I'm going to go back up to the start point. And with this, I'm allowed to touch the ground maybe a couple times, but you still want to learn not to touch the ground. You know, and and I don't have guards on it, so I'm gonna try not to hit anything. So, yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna get a few other cameras, and yeah.